at the NESPA Pool Show 2026. We're here with Lacey and Sean, and we're gonna go over some cool new products, the grit game that they represent. So Lacey, give us a little breakdown of what's going on here.
So for my guys out there working with auto covers, the best thing that you can do, and probably the easiest upgrade you can give your customer, is gonna be a Level Smart. What happens with your pool cover when that water level drops? It's going to pull in on the sides. Low water levels are also gonna ruin your equipment pad. It's gonna ruin so many different things. And what the Level Smart does is it is a wireless autofill unit that requires no damage to your deck. You don't have to tear up your deck. You can retrofit this anywhere. It acts almost as a preliminary leak detection at the same time, because so many times within a certain time period, it will ping and say, hey, you've got an issue, you may have a leak. What happens with husbands, right? The husband comes out, he pulls out the hose and he puts it in the pool, and then he overflows the pool. I know my husband does. He's in trouble all the time.
We put autofills on every pool, but the problem is,
if an autofill is gonna have an issue, it usually breaks in the on mode. Yep. Not only are you causing water bill to increase, but if that overflows into your neighbor's yard and they have really nice landscaping, your homeowner could be stuck with landscaping bills to help them. This is probably the least expensive insurance system that you can put on a pool for your homeowner.
This is the sensor itself.
Okay.
Usually what people do is mount it inside the mouth of the skimmer.
Okay.
You include the two-part epoxy that you use to mount it. You'll complete the setup with the valve controller. This goes near the equipment. You can use a T-fitting and connect our solenoid valve to that and fill through the return line. But this setup takes about 20 to 30 minutes to complete. It's very, very simple. You're happy to contact H2 Flow to get it.
nice. And the grit game also has it too. We're gonna go do something else though. We're gonna go check out some more stuff they sell.
How often am I turning over all the water in the pool? Well, as we've taken a super accurate flow meter and a motor controller into a variable speed pump, we've created a complete package that can run at a constant flow.
So as the filter gets dirty,
Exactly.
it'll start boosting
Right.
up itself.
With the app control, when you go into pump setup initially, you're gonna tell the system how many gallons of water the pool has in it. A few different options on how to operate the pump. Currently, we're in turnover mode. It knows how many gallons of water is in the pool. We said we want to run it an 8-hour turnover. It automatically calculates where that should be. With the use of the flow meter, we're able to run it at constant flow.
Can this be added on any pump?
Not right now, but that is the goal. All I need is the Modbus addresses and I can add it. So right now we're selling it as a complete system with our pump, an OEM pump by spec, made to our specifications. The other thing that we can do with our motor controller is heater control. Tell it what temperature you want to run at, click save. We've got the handles to make it easy. There's a light inside here.
Big name brand company, and I go in, I'm like, damn, I can't see. That's a smart little feature, yeah.
So if I deadhead the pump, we're sucking air. Essentially, if the flow decreases very rapidly like that, you'll see here that there's a pump blockage and we shut the pump off.
So it's almost like it's like an SVRS.
It is.
It's not that
It can't be
word,
considered
yeah.
that because it doesn't react quickly enough to conform to VGB, but it's of the similar.
Well, it's a safety. It's a nice
type of
safety
thing.
feature.